Hello my friends, Ryan here, Silly Reviews, and we're going to show you how to cancel your USA Today subscription. This is your USA Today online subscription. Google's AI said that you can cancel 3 ways: via email, via the website, or a phone number. We're going to do it through the website. This will be similar on desktop, tablet, mobile. I'm recording this on mobile. When you go to their support page on USA Today, you'll have to scroll way down, all the way down, still scrolling, until you find helpful information about how to cancel your subscription. And the first option is by calling. No, thank you. We're going to do it ourselves. What you'll need to do, go back up to the top, give it a boop bop, sign in. You'll want to log in with your email and password. If you don't remember it, you can recover it. You'll probably be greeted with having to do a CAPTCHA, prove you're human. Once you're logged in, it'll say hello and whatever your registered name is at the top. Once you've done that, you'll be scrolling through your account trying to find something that mentions the subscription. It tells you what you're signed up for. So I'm on a $1 trial. That'll be $9.99 really soon. Don't want that to happen. We're looking to cancel. And you can see the cancel button here. It's not really super hidden. It's not underlined, but it's not bold, but it's there. Of course, they want a reason for cancellation. Just pick anything. Once you pick your reason for cancellation, you'll probably be preparing yourself for an onslaught of, why are you leaving? Please don't leave. Here's a discount. Reconsider. We'll give you this little something. You're not going to see any of that, which is refreshing, but what you will see is this loading animation here. Why is that taking so long? Do they want you to leave before your cancellation is confirmed? Stick with it. You'll finally see that, yes, it's canceled. I would say take a screenshot of that and save it. Then look in your email, and you would hope you're going to get an email that also confirms your cancellation. So if you get a mystery bill, you can dispute that. But that loading animation after you press the last thing you need to press to cancel, weird how that takes so long. Is that intentional? I'm not sure. Go back into your account, look for your subscription, look for your next payment due, and that should also now confirm that you have canceled.
Like,
thanks for watching.
subscribe, share.